and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week. Every Monday at 8 a.m. we spotlight YouTube channels you'll learn from and their stores that we know you'll enjoy. All the channels, shops, and Facebook pages introduced this week have clickable links below the video. Don't forget to like and share this video. The first choice of the week, selected by Robin Espich, is Kelly's Crafts by Kelly, owned by Kelly Watson, and she has an Etsy shop and a YouTube channel. I live in Ireland and am a wife and mother who works from home producing digital journal and ephemeral kits for journal makers worldwide. I particularly enjoy making kits that lean towards vintage and gothic designs. My digital kits can all be purchased through my Etsy shop. My shop also has completed journals listed for sale on occasion, and I do undertake commissioned works. I try to video each journal I complete so other journal makers can see a variety of different books made using my kits. I also like to try out different techniques. Not all of them are as successful as others, but I'm never afraid to have a go at something new. You will also find some short videos where I've used some of the ephemera kits. The second choice of the week, selected by Teri S, is the Shabby Craft Cabin, owned by Ling, and she has a YouTube channel and a Facebook page. I love to dabble into anything that takes my fancy, but the last 2 years has been shabby chic and journals. When I came across some lovely creations by some amazing crafters, I've been in love ever since with vintage and shabby chic styles. On a side note from me, Ivy is being very humble. She makes the most amazing journals and altered items. She even converted a large shoebox into a beautiful vintage style suitcase. You'd have to see it. She will sell her journals if you ask her, and you can see all of her finished work on her Facebook page. If you would like to be featured, subscribe to the Facebook groups of the UCC founders and members and list your YouTube channel on their YouTube list events. Each one you subscribe to increases your chance to be featured, as one site is randomly chosen from each list every week. Thank you for joining us with this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week. We will see you again Monday at 8 a.m. with the next UCC YouTube and Etsy Spotlight of the Week and even more excellent YouTube channels and Etsy stores. The UCC founders are Robin Espich, founder, and Teri S, co-founder.